Stop, backpack, name tag on a string. Early bus ride, don't know a single thing about who I'll be by the end of this week. Just a little bit nervous, mostly just need sleep. But they say summer workshop, let's go. New friends, big dreams, yeah, we're ready to grow. Laugh hard, learn loud, turn the shy into bold. These are the good times we'll tell when we're old. Summer workshop, let's go.